Tired of losing your dream homes in the endless scroll of online listings? Zillow's Save feature is the solution, and in this video, we'll show you exactly how to use it to keep track of your favorite properties. First, head over to Zillow.com and begin your property search like you normally would. You can use filters to narrow down listings to match your criteria. Once you've found a property you like, click on the listing to view its details. Look for the heart icon. It's usually located in the upper right corner of the main image or somewhere prominently displayed on the page. Click on the heart icon if you're not already logged in. Zillow will prompt you to either sign in or create an account. Go ahead and do that now. After logging in and clicking the heart, a menu may appear allowing you to save the property to a specific list. You can choose to save it to your favorites list, or you can create a new list. To create a new list, simply click the option to create a new one and type in a descriptive name, such as weekend getaways or potential investments. This is a great way to organize properties based on different criteria. Once you've saved the property, the heart icon will change to indicate that it's been saved. Usually, it will fill in with color. To access your saved properties, navigate to your profile. There will be a tab labeled Saved Homes or something similar. Click on it. Here, you'll find all the properties you've saved, organized by list. If you created any, you can easily browse through them and revisit your favorites. Clicking on a property from your saved list will take you directly back to its listing page, allowing you to review the details and continue your research. Now you can easily keep track of your potential future homes with Zillow's Save feature. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.